Understanding the phrase, deckhand. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a commonly used phrase in English, deckhand. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in conversations. Let's start by breaking down the phrase. The phrase, deckhand, consists of two words, deck and hand. 1. Deck. This refers to the floor of a ship or boat. 2. Hand. In this context, it doesn't mean the body part but rather suggests someone who helps or works. Combining the meanings, we get a basic understanding of the term. But let's dive deeper. A deckhand is a person who works on a ship or boat, doing manual tasks. Their responsibilities can include tying the ship to the dock, handling the equipment and ropes, cleaning and maintenance of the ship's deck, assisting in the loading and unloading of cargo or luggage. In simpler terms, they are the supporting crew members who ensure the smooth functioning of the ship's operations. To understand it better, let's see some example sentences. 1. The deckhand quickly secured the boat as it approached the harbor. 2. Being a deckhand requires physical strength and agility. 3. She worked as a deckhand during the summer to gain experience at sea. These sentences help in contextualizing the phrase, making it easier to understand and use in daily conversations. So, there you have it. Now you know what a deckhand is, their roles, and how to use the phrase in sentences. English is full of such intriguing phrases that paint vivid pictures when used correctly. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more such explorations into the English language. Happy learning!